Okay, this video is about ano daw, this 2028 may Pilipinas pa ba daw? Magiging probinsya na ba tayo sa isang bansa sa China? Ito na talaga yung masasabi ko dyan. Huwag tayong pumayag, my fellow Filipinos, huwag tayong pumayag. Our identity is we are Philippines, we are Republic of the Philippines, we are Filipinos. Huwag din tayong makigyera. The only thing we can do is mag-post tayo lahat sa social media. Let's convince the Chinese government to stop forced invasion. Forced invasion is never the solution. Yes. And I believe even your fellow Chinese people, they wouldn't steal a territory. They will never steal a territory. And this is my message to your leader, China, or to those trying to forcibly invade the Philippines. This is this is what I want to say. If you are truly the God of all, you wouldn't dare. You would give independence to a nation. You know what I mean? And then using deadly weapons just to steal a territory, to forcibly invade the territory, that's just bullshit. Yeah, that's just bullshit. That's not the right thing to do. War and force war using deadly weapons, force invasion, making stories, it will only create nature trauma. It will only create humane trauma. It will be written in history. It will be unforgotten. It will be unforgotten. You know what I mean? Like, oh, what? This is what they did to us? Oh, this is unforgettable. We don't want it to happen. We want our race, Filipinos, to remain Filipinos. Mixed blood or what? But still, we have Filipino blood in our veins. We will never allow that one. And we will never allow war as well. This is all I can say also about the Kalayaan Island Group. It's proven, and according to the tribunal thing, that it is in favor of the Philippines. Yes, because there are Filipinos living there. So to those who are trying to steal it again, to enforce invasion, again I say, back off, return to your territory, return to your respective territory. That is a Filipino-owned island, and also the sea area there is owned by Filipinos. Okay, and the issue here is they said that the Brunei, Malaysia, Vietnam, China. Okay, I have no I don't have laptop here, and I don't have computer to look at the map. All I can say is, say for example, this is the water area, and China is here, Philippines is here, that Vietnam, Brunei, Malaysia. What is that? If I were if I were a lawyer or a advocate, or I am already an advocate because I'm already here in the online world, all I can say is, give them the sea area ownership they deserve. For example, okay, China, give them this sea area. Okay, Vietnam, give them this sea area. Okay, give the Brunei the sea area. Okay, Malaysia, Vietnam, and all other nations claiming that they have parts of it. So give them the sea area ownership they deserve. No more crab mentality, no more colonial mentality. Yeah, and that's that. Let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy in claiming territories that historically says that these nations are claiming that these nations have their part as well. That's all I can say. Give them the sea area ownership they deserve. Ano yun? Multilateralism is the key. Okay? It's not just Philippines, it's not just China that is, suffering from crisis. All countries are suffering crisis. Then again, let's give every nation claiming this sea area below that area they deserve. And you know what I mean. That sea area ownership and below area belongs to each of these country. What do you got? Claiming. Yeah, claiming that they have parts of it. Yeah, I think that's it. No war, no war. No crab mentality, no colonial mentality. Again, I said war only leads to nature trauma and humane trauma. War only leads to water, land, air pollution. It only leads to submarine destruction. The coral reefs, the fish, they will be poisoned. The bad radioactives, the supply of food, water will be, what do we call that? It's in danger. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, if war broke up, the food and water, oh my gosh, you know what will happen? And also, war only leads to loss of relationships, loss of father, loss of mother, loss of son, loss of daughter, loss of niece, loss of nephew, and fellow human beings. Not just human beings, but nature, trees, animals, many, many. Yeah, businesses be closed. It's so dangerous. And also loss of body parts. War only leads to loss of body parts. Do you get what I mean? Oh my gosh. Let's all rethink. Refocus, and reset. Yeah, back off who are trying to steal a country's nation. It is in the Holy Bible, Exodus 20. Search it on Google or any search engine. It says, "Thou shalt not steal." That's God's law. God's law is always greater. So don't let karma enter into your life, because karma is real, and you know what I mean. Yes, that's the issue now, and I hope this message will bring conscience to all of you who is trying to provoke war. And I think that's all. Bye bye, Kabishuli. Thank you.